Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to take profit on interactive brokers. And for this we are now here on the chart. So if you want to open a chart on interactive broker, you go right here to interactive broker and search right here for a symbol or site what you want. But right now if you search here for Tesla and we go to Tesla Nasdaq, click here on stock, we have the chart right now and we can create right here a position. So first of all, we click now on buy. And then what we're going to do is also change my camera a little bit right here to this place. But right now, what we're going to do is select here, we want to buy one share, or if you want to change this to USD, you can decide for how much dollars you want to step in. So one share is fine for now. Then create here the order type, so select what you want to do. So we do a limit order, that is fine for now. And then the thing, what is the most important right now, is we click here on profit taker. So this means that when he will hit that amount of balance, he will automatically take profit and will close or trade. So what we're gonna do right now is we set this on 440. So right now, when he will hit the 440 mark, he will close or trade and we make a quick 24 bucks. So right now, if you click on buy order, do accept. Right now, we just created here the order. The order has been canceled and that is because I don't have any money standing on this account. So from here, this is exactly how you can create a take profit order on interactive broker. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. If you have money standing on your account, you can do this order, but I don't have standing any money on this account because I have multiple accounts. So this is how it works. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.